Baby, calm down, calm down.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mama of French Girls. So guys, from the title of the video, you know where we are heading to. I am heading to the distillery, the GM distillery. I posted a video some months ago showing you around the distillery, how we visited it. Now the production of the rum is out. Every 6 months it's out. So today I'm gonna be showing you how the rum is made. How rum is made. Yes, the production of the rum. So guys, just sit back and watch the video as I show you how the rum is made. It's not that difficult, it's quite easy though, but yeah, uh you guys must also know that the rum in this distillery, they will conserve this rum for 15 years before putting it in any bottles. Before putting it in the breakable bottles, it will stay for 15 years. So just keep watching guys and you will see what I'm talking about. So just let's get there. So from my house to this distillery, it's just a 15 minutes drive. It's not that far, but yeah, I used to work this place before, but for some reasons I'm no longer working in this place. Like they haven't called me yet, so this is why I'm no longer there. So just let's watch this video guys as we go ahead. I forgot to tell you guys, yes, for those of you who doesn't know Martinique, this country that I'm in is a French country, Martinique. So just let's go and watch the road like it is. Just watch the road that leads to the distillery, guys. Hey. So guys, also this place that we are heading to, I'm living in the northern part of Martinique. Yes, and this place that we are heading to is called Makuba. So this Makuba place is one before the last community in this northern part. Yes, before its end.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too unique. So
guys, this is the place.
C'est vraiment beau. Non, non. Les barrières avec les boules. Non, non, mais avec son bleu, puis l'arrière, c'est pile la peau.
So So this place actually brings a lot of tourists from all different parts of the country.
Let's go, guys.
This distillery is the smallest distillery in Martinique, but it is one of the most known distillery also. Everyone that comes in this country will not leave without visiting this part of Martinique. So now we are entering the garden, the sugarcane garden. I'm just showing you. The rum is made with three types of cane, three different types of cane. As you can see, this is the garden, and here we are leading to the machines. There you will see how it works. So this machine that you're about to see is the one that will crush the cane to extract all the juice from it. Take a look. Can you see that? And they won't throw nothing from this cane. The thing that you are seeing there, they will use it for something else. See this part, this is a very big one. There was nothing added inside these rums. People will say that the rum tastes like cinnamon, like different flavors, but inside the rum there's nothing added. It's funny though, but nothing is added inside the rum. So this is the rum inside this. I do not really know the name of this in English here, but this is it. Let's continue. This is it, guys. This thing is smelling, guys. It smells. If you take the smell of this thing, you say that you will never drink rum again, but you will keep on drinking after this is done. There are rums that will stay for 14 months, 5 months, 1 year, 2 year, but here in this distillery, rums will last for 15 years inside these things before putting them into the bottles. So yeah, this is it. Now I'm gonna be showing you guys how they keep the rum before putting it inside the bottles, where they keep it. Let's go.
Naturel. Là, c'est le tiroir, c'est le Makuba qui on retrouve.
And this is in what they keep the rum. And is in this they keep the rum for the amount of years, like 15 years. I think the maximum is 15 years. Look at it, guys. This is such a beautiful place to visit in Martinique. So let's go. And now I will be showing you all the rum in the bottles. This is it. Voilà. So this is how you smell, guys. You press here and you smell. Like this rum. It's a 15-year rum. It is made with caramel. It is not made with caramel. It had the notes of caramel, milk, raisins. This is how it goes. From the one you appreciate, the smell of the one that you like, you take the paper and you will taste. You have the possibility to taste 4 different kinds of rum. So you can taste and then you can buy. Look at the tourists, how they are doing. See, inside there is filled up with people all on the other side. This is the rums, guys. These are the different rums. See this beautiful flower. This is such a beautiful place to visit. Yep. I even like.
Sa ki yal an trou mwen